to share with you the way I'm able to go to sleep, use the videos without having earphones in my ear. This is my absolute favorite. I looked it up on Amazon where I got it from, and it is currently unavailable. I will still link it below in case it does become available. And if any of you know of a place that actually has it in stock, it's called the Music Bean. Next option that I really like is this particular headband. I don't use it as a headband. The way that I use it is to slide it in my pillowcase. It's soft, it hooks into my phone, and I can then hear the music without, again, having anything in my ear. I'm going to share with you another one that I actually use for travel. It's one that has a couple purposes. I can use this when I am away from home. I don't want the sound to carry throughout wherever I happen to be working out. It can also be worn as a headband. It's Bluetooth, and you could slide it under your pillow as well. Last but not least is one that I didn't like, but I have grown to like now that I actually know how to use it. I just took it off my pillow. So what it is a pillowcase. 2 built-in Velcro pockets. And the initial reason that I didn't like it was because I would put my pillow in it and I found these too hard. Well, when you find out how to use it the right way, which is you put them in the pillow and then the pillow is on top, which means it's between you and the speaker, works a lot better, not so hard. There you go. Those are simple speaker options so you can incorporate the array of PM sleep videos. Like I said, if you have other options that work really well, please share them in the comments below. Wishing you a great night's sleep tonight, and until we see each other, sweet dreams.